Welcome back to the Car Care channel, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of brake maintenance. And if you're in search of the best vacuum brake bleeder, you're in for a treat. We've tested and compared some of the top contenders in the market to help you make an informed decision. From precision to ease of use, we've got it all covered. I'm AutoGear Pro host, and this is the ultimate guide to finding the best vacuum brake bleeder. Let's roll! Number 1. AIRS 70923 to 1 liter vacuum brake fluid bleeder. AIRS 70923 to 1 liter vacuum brake fluid bleeder, a game changer for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This bleeding kit is meticulously crafted to provide a seamless brake fluid bleeding experience. At the heart of this product is its powerful vacuum pump, designed for efficiency and precision. The 1-liter reservoir ensures an ample supply of brake fluid, eliminating the need for constant refilling during the bleeding process. The ergonomic handle and durable construction make it a joy to use, while the transparent reservoir allows for easy monitoring of fluid levels. The AIRS 70923 to 1 liter vacuum brake fluid bleeder is a versatile tool compatible with a wide range of vehicle types. Its compatibility with both standard and ABS brake systems makes it a reliable choice for various automotive applications. The kit comes complete with the necessary accessories, including a collection bottle and a variety of adapters to fit different master cylinders. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the AIRS vacuum brake fluid bleeder promises to streamline your brake maintenance tasks. Say goodbye to messy and time-consuming bleeding processes. With AIRS, it's all about efficiency and precision. Number 2. CARSC Vacuum Pump Tester Set and Brake Bleeder Kit. Revolutionize your brake maintenance routine with a CARSC Vacuum Pump Tester Set and Brake Bleeder Kit. This all-in-one solution is engineered to deliver professional-grade performance, making brake bleeding a breeze. The star of this kit is the powerful vacuum pump, designed for optimal suction and durability. The kit includes an assortment of adapters to ensure compatibility with various master cylinders, catering to a wide range of vehicle makes and models. The transparent brake fluid reservoir allows for easy monitoring, ensuring a smooth and controlled bleeding process. CARSC goes the extra mile by including a vacuum gauge in the kit, enabling users to monitor and maintain optimal pressure levels throughout the bleeding procedure. The sturdy construction and ergonomic design of the pump make it a reliable and user-friendly choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you're tackling a routine brake fluid change or dealing with a more complex brake system issue, the CARSC Vacuum Pump Tester Set and Brake Bleeder Kit are up to the task. Experience the convenience and efficiency of professional-grade brake bleeding with this comprehensive and reliable kit. Number 3. Mityvac Premium Pneumatic Brake and Clutch Bleeding Kit. In the realm of automotive maintenance, the Mityvac Premium Pneumatic Brake and Clutch Bleeding Kit stands out as a game-changer. This meticulously engineered kit elevates the brake and clutch bleeding process to new heights, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Crafted with precision, the Mityvac Premium Kit boasts a pneumatic design that streamlines the bleeding process, ensuring efficient removal of air bubbles for optimal brake and clutch performance. The high-quality components, including a durable pressure gauge and a variety of adapters, guarantee compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. What sets this bleeding kit apart is its user-friendly interface. The ergonomic design of the hand pump allows for comfortable operation, while the transparent reservoir provides clear visibility of the fluid, facilitating easy monitoring. The kit's versatility extends to its ability to work on both hydraulic brake and clutch systems, making it an all-in-one solution for automotive enthusiasts and professional mechanics. In the hands of a seasoned technician, the Mityvac Premium Pneumatic Brake and Clutch Bleeding Kit not only simplifies the bleeding process, but also ensures a thorough and precise job. It's a tool that combines efficiency, durability, and ease of use, making it an essential addition to any automotive toolkit. Number 4. 4 Uncle's Oil Changer Vacuum Fluid Extractor. When it comes to hassle-free oil changes, the 4 Uncle's Oil Changer Vacuum Fluid Extractor emerges as a standout solution. Designed with convenience in mind, this extractor transforms the traditional oil change experience, making it cleaner, faster, and more efficient. The brilliance of the 4 Uncle's extractor lies in its vacuum fluid extraction technology. This device effortlessly suctions out old oil from the engine, replacing the messy and time-consuming drain pan method. The Extractor's versatile design allows it to handle various fluids, making it a versatile tool for extracting not just engine oil, but also brake fluid, transmission fluid, and more. Constructed with durability in mind, the 4Uncle's Oil Changer Vacuum Fluid Extractor features a robust build and user-friendly operation. The transparent chamber lets users easily monitor the extraction process, ensuring precision and preventing overflows. With a range of extraction tubes and adapters, it adapts to different vehicle models, making it an indispensable tool for DIY mechanics and professionals alike. In the hands of an oil change connoisseur, the 4Uncle's Oil Changer Vacuum Fluid Extractor is a reliable companion, simplifying the maintenance process and contributing to a cleaner, more efficient workspace. Number 5. Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder. The Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder is a game-changer for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this tool ensures a hassle-free brake bleeding experience. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design make it a standout choice in the market. The key feature of the Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder is its powerful vacuum pump, which effortlessly removes air from the brake system, preventing spongy brakes and ensuring optimal performance. The transparent drain hose allows users to monitor the fluid extraction process, adding a level of convenience and control. What sets this bleeder apart is its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile solution for DIY mechanics and professionals working on different makes and models. The Capri Tools Vacuum Brake Bleeder is a reliable companion for anyone seeking efficiency and precision in brake maintenance. Number 6. HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit. The HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit is a comprehensive solution for brake system maintenance, offering versatility and convenience in one package. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit ensures durability and longevity, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. The standout feature of this kit is its dual functionality. Equipped with both vacuum and pressure bleeding capabilities, the HTOMT Brake Bleeder Kit provides users with options to suit their preferences and specific needs. The easy-to-read pressure gauge enhances precision during the beading process. The HTOMT 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit comes complete with a range of adapters, making it compatible with various brake systems. This user-friendly kit is perfect for both seasoned mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, streamlining the brake bleeding process for optimal results. Finally, number 7. 4Uncle's 2-liter Vacuum Brake Bleeder Air Brake Bleeder Kit. The 4Uncle's 2-liter Vacuum Brake Bleeder Air Brake Bleeder Kit stands out as a top-tier choice in the market, combining efficiency and innovation for an unparalleled brake bleeding experience. This kit is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's braking system. At the heart of this kit is the 2-liter reservoir, allowing for extended beading sessions without the need for constant refilling. The integrated pressure gauge provides real-time feedback, ensuring precise control over the bleeding process. The durable build of the kit speaks to its quality and reliability. What sets the 4Uncle's Brake Bleeder Kit apart is its adaptability. With a variety of adapters and connectors, it caters to different vehicle makes and models, making it a versatile tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Investing in the 4Uncle's kit is a commitment to optimal brake performance and long-term durability. And there you have it, gearheads. We've unraveled the mystery of the best vacuum brake bleeders on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a gear-shifting episode. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, keep those wheels turning and brakes bleeding. This is Auto Gear Pro Host, signing off.